Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning the half Windsor tie knot from your point of view. The first thing is we're going to have a thick end of the tie, the blade, and we're also going to have a thin end. Make the thick end significantly longer than the thin end, and then we're going to cross that thick end over the front and hold it with our thumb and forefinger. Then we're going to take the thick end and pass it behind the knot, and then we're going to tuck it through the neck hole from the front. Now what this is going to do is to create a little shoulder in the tie, and the tie will then hang backwards directly down. Then take the tie, move it to the other side, cross it over the front, and this time we're going to take the thick end and bring it from behind through that middle neck hole again. So push it through, and then when that's done, the tie will hang directly down and it'll be facing the right way. Then we take that thick end and we're just going to pop it through that final piece of fabric at the front and grab the thin end of the tie as you pull it through. Squeeze the bottom of the knot and start pulling it while holding the thin end towards your neck. Give it a little tug, squeeze the thin end, and there you have done it. That is the half Windsor tie knot. If you like my tie, visit us at reefknots.com and please like and subscribe to the video if you have done it. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon.